Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off direct messages on Discord. If you want to stop receiving direct messages from other users on Discord, you can adjust your privacy settings to turn off DMs. You can disable DMs from everyone or only from users who aren't on your friends list. And here's how you can do that. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to the Discord web at discord.com. Then log in with your Discord account credentials. Once you're logged in the bottom left corner of the screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon next to your profile picture to open the user settings. In the left sidebar of the user settings, scroll down and click on Privacy and Safety under the settings section. Now, under the server privacy policy, which we're going to see, you see an option that says direct messages from friends, and then direct messages from others, then server channel messages. Also, you're going to see allow, that's the server privacy default. You see allow direct messages from server members. So to actually turn this off, to turn off the DM from server members, toggle off the switch. Now, once you toggle off the switch, it's going to prevent anyone from sending you direct messages unless they're on your friends list. So do you want to apply this change? Or you can also disable direct messages on individual servers by visiting the servers. So I'm going to say no because I don't want to apply. So I want to turn this on because I want to allow direct messages. So turn it off to disable it. Also, you can block DMs from specific servers. This is optional. So if you want to turn off DMs for specific servers, you can do this directly from the server settings. So go ahead and right click on the server icon in the left sidebar, select notification settings, and toggle off allow DMs from server members right in the server settings. So that's it. Turning off DMs from server members will block messages from all users in that server who are not on your friends list. So if you turn off DMs from everyone, you'll still be able to receive DMs from friends and server members who are in your friend list. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.